Hi guys, Nick and Bojack Bob here, and we are going on a trip. Alright, so this is where our cousin saw in their last video.
Me.
And that's Hans the Man 23-4. He's really grumpy right now because he just doesn't have a device to do on or something. So,
I got a notebook.
yeah, well, he has something to do on, but not a device.
Okay, so let me explain something. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So you know what a condo is?
No.
Yes. Condo is an apartment that somebody owns. Okay. So you have houses. These are condos. So people, even though they're apartments, they're condos. People own the building, the inside of the building, and then the condo association owns the outside of the building. So the place we're going, Auto Motorplex, is a garage condo.
Whoa.
So there's no houses, but there's big garages. Anywhere from an average size garage to 4 garages together.
Whoa.
Some of them, they actually have little apartments upstairs.
Oh.
They're so big. And so once a month, they allow people to come in and look at their stuff. Nevaeh, you got to slide down a fireman's pole.
Oh,
Remember that?
Yeah. I never done it. You're lucky.
Oh, so the thing is, just remember that, you know, they're allowing us into basically their home.
But so is there gonna be anybody else?
There's going to be a lot of people.
Well,
So just be aware that we don't touch anything.
okay.
We're there as guests.
It's a Rubik's Cube.
We don't go, we can snoop in only the common areas, you know, and look to our heart's content.
Okay. Okay, this is not in Eau Claire. This is in River Falls. Okay, look at, I made a cheese on a plate with a flag in it.
It's beautiful.